Dude, you're in the fucking traffic, what the fuck? Stupid fucking bastard bus. Game of Thrones? I bet you're the king then.
Trying to be. If I keep him in line.
Hey! Great. Yeah, when you start doing Facebook as well.
Oh yeah.
I start deputising Rachel.
Are we sword fighting or just
Photos.
Just photos?
Yeah. We're making like a book to help guide people in the hobby, so we're getting rest taken doing lots of photography and we can write a book. Yeah, that'll be great.
I've seen the like hard plastic size, not steel, not steel.
Yeah,
Like,
that's for HEMA, if you think. Historical European martial arts uses them.
oh.
So fast. Need to grab a weapons and quick photograph. I'll just get like a group picture of all artillery.
Is it dead? Is dead heavy then? Is it dead? Is it dead heavy?
No, it's mostly foam. It has fiberglass core in it, so like it's also like fairly flexible.
You're not gonna dent it.
No, it bounces back, so it means that you can fight unarmored people with them. Which is nice. So you just wear armour because it looks good.
Yeah. Are you fucking crazy?
Don't stand there gawping like you've never seen the hand of God before. Now, today we're going to do marching up and down the square. That is, unless any of you got anything better to do. Well, anyone got anything they'd rather be doing than marching up and down the square? Yes, Atkinson. What would you rather be doing, Atkinson?
Well, to be quite honest, Sarge, I'd rather be at home with the wife and kids.
Would you now?
Yes, Sarge.
Right, off you go. Now, everybody else happy with my little plan of marching up and down the square a bit?
Sarge,
Yes.
I've got a book I'd quite like to read.
Right, you go read your book then. Now, everybody else quite content to join in with my little scheme of marching up and down the square?
Sarge?
Yes, Wycliffe, what is it?
Well, I'm learning the piano.
Learning the piano?
Yes, Sarge.
And I suppose you want to go and practice, eh? Marching up and down the square, not good enough for you, eh?
Well,
Right, off you go! Now, what about the rest of you? Rather be at the pictures, I suppose. All right, off you go! Bloody army, I don't know where it's coming to. Right, Sergeant Major marching up and down the square.
Fucking ice then with that stick.